Okay, let's move on to the sports vocab. So, using this vocab, you will know how to speak in your conversation. Let's see. The first one, happen. The same phrase for the word happen. What is that? Let's take a look at the picture. Here, happen. So, what is this match? What is this match? So this match is a soccer match, or you can say a football match, right? So we say the football match take place. But let's see, take place. Something wrong, right? The final sound. Yeah, so take place. One more time, take place. So the football match takes place in the stadium. Yeah, you can talk about take place, the place where it happened, where it take place, and the time take place. Okay, so let's see. We have a football match here. So I will say the football match takes place in a stadium, in a 5-star stadium. Right? So let's see. What about the competition? Where does the running competition take place? Okay, you will be the one who answer. Okay, take place in the stadium. Or maybe, in the street, on the street. Next one. Take part in a race and try to win. You take part in a race and then you try to win. So, here, what is that? What are they preparing to do? Oh, they are preparing to run, right? So we say they compete. Okay, so compete. One more time, compete. Okay, so where can we see people compete each other? Yes, people compete in a running competition, in a race. Right? So, do you and your friend compete in your class? Yes, compete. Compete to be the best student. Yes, compete to have more stars and get a cup of milk tea. Yeah. So, we say compete, and this is the verb. So, compete, verb 2 and verb 3 will be competed. Yes, competed. Next, we have another form for it. So, word form, verb form, and competition. So, we say compete, right? And then, when we change to the noun, we say competition. Competition, okay. It is a noun. So, we can say competitor. So who is a competitor? Competitor is the person who competes in the competition. Yes. So take a look at this picture. How many competitors can you count here? It's difficult to count. But remember to answer how many competitors can you see in this competition? Yes. So, are you the competitor in the class? Yeah, because we compete to have more stars than the others. Next, a person or many people who watch the sports event without joining. So, like they sit there and they just watch the other people playing. So, here they are. Yeah, can you guess who are they? We have a name for them, like a word for those people. So it is spectator, or you can say spectator, right? There's two ways, spectator and spectator. Okay. So where can you see the spectators? Where can you see? Yeah, in a competition, or they will sit. Yeah, they will sit here around the stadium to see the other playing. Yes, so spectators. What do spectators do? They will encourage, they cheer the others up. Yeah. Okay, so spectator or spectator. Next. Boys and girls who pick up the balls and give the new one to the player. Oh, like they pick up the balls and then they give the new one. Or they are not the competitor. Yeah. Yes. They have the competitor. Oh wait. Yes, competitor. So they will have them. So we say, they pick the ball, right? So we call them ball boys. Ball boys. Yes, ball boys. So the one who picks the ball for the competitor. So ball boys, or we can say, if it is a girl, if he's or she is a girl, so ball girls. Yeah, ball girls. Next. An area. Oh, this is an area where when we see pencil lines, when we play the sport and we need that one. So here, the sport, we need tennis. Yeah. In this sport, we need it. And what is the word? Court. Court. One more time. The final sound. Court. So we can see the court in which sport can we see the court? Yes, we have tennis or basketball, or do you have the different sport that we can see the court? Yeah, maybe soccer, table tennis. Yeah, why not? We have the table in which we have the line between that, right? So court. This one. Healthy, strong after doing exercise. So like you become healthy. We have this before and after. Yay, 6 packs body. We say fit. Fit. Yes, final sound, fit, not feed. Fit. Okay, so you are or you become fit after doing gymnastics, after doing exercises, right? So fit. Do you want to keep fit? Yes, because we have a nice body figure. So let's see, how do we keep fit? Yeah, you will be the one who answer that question. How do we keep fit? We eat healthy, yes, and we play sports, we do exercises. That is the ways to keep fit. Oh, that's all. I think that's all about the, yes, so bye-bye. Okay, so I will help you with making suggestion. Let's see. So we have many ways and we will go through one by one. This one first. Do you fancy? So, do you fancy plus verb ing, verb ing. So what do you write here? Do you fancy go to the cinema? Is verb there. So do you fancy going to the cinema? Right. So this is how you use it. Do you fancy going to the cinema? Next one. I suggest. I suggest. So I suggest the same like that. So plus verb ing, verb ing. So what do you write here? I suggest to go out for a meal. So we say I suggest going out for the meal. Going out for a meal. Okay. This one. Try new clothes. Try the new clothes. Okay. So we say less. So different from the others. Let we plus verb bear. So we don't change into verb ing anymore. Keep the same verb like that. So we have let's try the new clothes. Remember this one. Do exercise. Do you want to? So what kind of verb we write here? Verb ing, two verb. Yeah, we have two already here. So we keep verb there. So do you want to to do exercise. Do you want to do exercise? Yes, perfect. Next one. Take some photos. So, would you like to? We have two here already. Would you like to take some photos? Okay, it's like a suggestion, right? Because we are studying about making suggestions. So, would you like to take some photos? Okay, verb there, everyone, verb there. Next phrase, we have another way to like suggest for your friend. Instead of saying I suggest, instead of saying would you like to, so we can say why don't we when you go with your friends, right? So why don't we plus verb bear. Yeah, because we have don't, so don't plus verb bear here. So we say why don't we listen to music? One more time, why don't we listen to music? We keep verb bear, the same verb. Next, how about and what about? How about and what about? So it is preposition here, preposition. So we say verb ing will go or will follow preposition. So we will say how about, yes, watching TV. And what about? Watching TV. So watching, verb ing after how about and what about. Next, bake a cake. So still like that, what do you write here? Yes, how about baking a cake? And what about baking a cake? Verb ing. Next, the last one, let's. So let's plus plus verb bear. So we write let's play badminton. Let's play badminton. Okay, that is the end of our lesson. So you will know how to make suggestion and you will know what kind of verb we will write